How to fix emails not coming in. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can fix if your emails are not coming in. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now normally you could be using any mailing services such as Yahoo, Hotmail, Gmail, iCloud or anything, and you're not receiving emails. In most of the cases, the problem could be with the internet connection. So just make sure that your internet connection is working just fine. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular, try to switch back to Wi-Fi and then see if that solves your problem. In other cases, it could be with the mailing app. So I'm talking about the app that you're using. You could be using the Gmail app to log into all of your mails. For that case, long press on the mailing app that you use, tap the I button. Now scroll down to storage, select clear cache, and then make sure to clear the data as well. After you've done that, the final reason why this happens is you have to understand which mailing services you're using. If you're using Gmail, your mail and services will be stored to Google Drive, and if you're using Hotmail or Microsoft, is going to be stored to OneDrive. If you're using iCloud, it's going to store to iCloud, right? And the problem here is that all of this has a limitation, because if you certainly reach your storage on Google Drive, you will no longer receive Gmails. If you are max on storage on your OneDrive, you will no longer receive Outlook or Hotmail emails. If you're max storage on iCloud, then you will no longer receive iCloud mail. So that's how it works. So if your mailing service provider storage is full, then you will not be able to do this, because Gmail also has to be stored, Yahoo also has to be stored, and Microsoft OneDrive also has to be stored somewhere, and that is your cloud storage. If that is full, you will not be able to receive emails. Now to fix this, let's say this is my Gmail account, you can just go to settings here. Once you go to settings, you can just try to look for that specific option and then just go to manage your Google account, check if you have enough Google Drive storage. If you're using Microsoft, try to check if you have enough OneDrive storage as well. In this case, try to open up OneDrive, see if you have enough storage. If not, then you might want to free up some storage by deleting some of the photos and recycle bin folders. So hope this video helped you as to how you can fix emails not coming in. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.